on brows, removing any product in the brow using makeup remover. And we're just going to use a dime size amount and just gently rub any product away. We are filling in the brows using a precise eyebrow pencil from the beauty supply store, and you want to make sure it has a spoolie attached to the end to gently brush the eyebrow hairs upward, and you want to follow your natural outline. You want to start by outlining the bottom and the top of the brows. Raise your arch to ensure precise shape. And you can also create dots at your points to create your shape. That will be in the front of your brow, your arch, and your tail, if you find that a little bit more easier as a better guide. The process consists of going back and forth with the pencil and the spoolie, filling in any sparse areas that will enhance and define the brow. I'm using a different brow pencil, and this one has a wax consistency that will intensify the color of her brow hairs and shape. I'm then feathering hair-like strokes in the beginning of the brows that align with the bridge of her nose. And I'm just going to brush those hair-like strokes upwards to blend out the product into the brow. The objective is to enhance the shape of your brows with a soft powder appearance. You'll find your arch by the highest point of your brow, and after shading in the outline, brush the product into your brow so that way you will get a smooth consistency throughout. And you want to follow the same steps on the other brow. Applying a light layer of concealer will bring instant shape and definition using a flat brush or flat angle brush. Whatever brush is comfortable for you, but I would prefer a flat, precise, defined brush. I'm going to take that concealer and drag it down into the eyelid and blend it out with my finger. Or you could take a fluffy brush and blend it out with a fluffy brush as well. Now the concealer is optional, but I am going to apply a shade on top of the brow to clean up any mistakes, or you can use a Q-tip if needed to clean around. That top concealer gives that instant shape and that bold, dramatic eyebrow, and it just allows that brow to be the focal point. But look at your brows before and after the concealer. It's just your preference, with or without concealer. Both are giving a very soft, natural appearance. It's just one is a little bit more defined and bolder. Which brow technique do you prefer, with or without concealer? Want to follow the same steps on the other brow. and just tug that concealer right under that line. I really believe that the arch is the focal point of how your brows represent your face, so I really like to focus on that too. Making sure they are symmetrical on both sides. So just going back and forth, brushing the brow hairs up, filling in any areas that I may have missed, or any product that may have been taken away too much from me feathering the product into the brow. Lastly, I'm going to use a brow gel to keep the brows in place, giving them a more slick and tamed appearance. And I'm using the Anastasia brow gel and applying it with the spoolie in the direction of which my brow hairs and the shape is going. These are the final results, full, defined, and shaped. Thanks for watching, and I hope these tips will allow you to enhance your brows and give you that look that you are going for. And see you guys in a next video.